Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is video evidence of what goes on in the hotel room once Brad Smith has gone to sleep. There's no possible way I could ever get to sleep if this continues. You will believe me after hearing this. It's 1:15 in the morning.
Brad. Brad. Brad Smith. Brad.
It just simply does not work, folks. There is no hope for me.